Hi, thanks for stopping by. The title of this video is Types of Final Expense Insurance. Now, final expense insurance might also be known as funeral insurance, final expense life insurance, final insurance, life funeral insurance, burial policies, or even burial insurance. But for the purpose of this video, we will use the term final expense insurance. Now, there are basically three types of life insurance that might be used to insure final expenses: term life, universal life, and whole life. There are many different variations on each of these, but today we're going to keep this simple. Term life is generally insurance that lasts for a specific term, usually 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. At the end of that term, the insurance generally terminates. At younger ages, riders can be purchased for return of premium or paid-up insurance, but most companies will not write those options for life insurance over age 50. Here's an example of why, in our opinion, term life may not be the best bet to cover final expenses. Let's say you're 65 years old and you decide that you need $11,000 worth of coverage. At age 65, some companies may write 15-year term, but probably not 20 or 30 years. So, if you're fortunate enough to live past age 80, which many people are doing these days, you have now paid for 15 years of coverage, but now either your policy terminates or you can continue the policy but for much higher premiums. Neither one of these options really work for most people. With universal life, the money that you pay in can actually build cash value, which could be a great investment over the long term for younger folks, but would usually be cost prohibitive for simple final expense. Lastly, let's look at whole life. A simple whole life policy has a level death benefit and a level premium that lasts usually for the rest of your life, thus whole life. In our opinion, whole life is the best bet for most people when shopping for final expense insurance. You get a level benefit with level premiums, in most cases for generally affordable rates. As you are choosing a plan or a policy, be sure that you know what you're getting. There are several plans out there which are prominent in the media which actually terminate at age 80 or 85. So be sure, if you want whole life, that you're actually getting whole life. Also, you may have seen ads on TV or in magazines, or you may have even received direct mail pieces advertising guaranteed issue life insurance or guaranteed life insurance. They may even advertise it as life insurance no medical, life insurance over 50, guaranteed acceptance life insurance no physical, or everyone can qualify. That may be a great option for you. However, if you're pretty healthy, you may not need to pay for the extra cost associated with guaranteed issue when another plan may work for you at a lesser cost. Give us a call in Atlanta at 1-800-706-5645 or visit Access Financial Solutions on the web at truthaboutfinalexpenses.com. There you'll find videos and white papers about final expense insurance. We've even included a video to help you figure the costs of final expenses. Now, we are contracted with all the major insurance carriers, and when you're ready, we will shop for the best rates based upon your particular circumstances. That's our promise to you.